Hello, I'm Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices. Today I want to speak with you about whether depression under a Georgia workers' compensation claim is compensable. Specifically in Georgia, we do not yet have a law that allows for someone who is injured at work in a mental capacity, meaning depressed or stressed or emotionally upset, to file a workers' compensation claim. It is simply not allowed in and of itself. There must be a physical injury. So it is very important when and if you experience depression as a result of a workers' comp injury that you understand clearly what is and what is not allowed under the law. If you experience a physical injury, and I'll give you an example. Let's say you're working as a store clerk and you are held at gunpoint by someone who's come in to rob the store. If that person points a gun at you but never physically harms you in any way, while that seems unbelievably upsetting and very, very difficult to deal with, that is not necessarily a compensable injury in Georgia because there's been no physical harm. Now, if that gunman comes in, that robber comes in and touches the gun to your forehead and cuts you or hits you over the head with it or beats you up, punches you, bruises you, and you have a physical injury, and of course coupled with that comes the emotional depression, post-traumatic stress, then that would be a compensable injury under the laws in the state of Georgia. In other circumstances where you may have a physical injury that's clear-cut, meaning you've sustained a back injury and you've had chronic pain for months on end, or an upper extremity or knee injury or whatever the case may be, and you then become depressed over the fact that you're in pain, chronic pain, you cannot go out and earn the living you earned before, those types of things are compensable, and we would have to discuss that with you in terms of what your authorized treating doctor is seeing and how they might deal with making proper referrals to a psychologist or a psychiatrist or prescribing antidepressants for you. So please be clear in your understanding, and obviously we're happy to speak with you about any of those issues, be it post-traumatic stress from a physical injury, depression from a physical injury, or ongoing chronic pain that may turn into depression. You're certainly welcome to give me a call at 770-351-0801.